Hello guys, welcome back to chemistry study group. So in this video we're going to be treating the Markovnikov's rule. So we have the Markovnikov's rule and the anti-Markovnikov's rule, but in this video we'll be dealing with only Markovnikov rule. And the rule says that when a reagent like HX, now HX here can stand for hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, generally hydrogen halide, right? Okay, see, he said when a reagent like HX is added to an unsymmetrical alkene, any maybe ethene, propene, butene, etc. Instead, the hydrogen goes to the carbon that has more hydrogen already, while the halide, that is the halogen, goes to the carbon with fewer hydrogen. I'll take it again. The mechanical rule says that when a reagent like HX, that is hydrogen halides, are being added to an unsymmetrical alkene, the hydrogen goes to the carbon that already has more hydrogen, while the halide, that is the halogen, go to the carbon with fewer hydrogen. So we are using hydrogen halide like hydrogen bromide as an example. So you see the hydrogen goes to the carbon with more hydrogen. If you look at it, the carbon to carbon double bond is what we are focusing on. And this carbon has two hydrogen, this carbon has one hydrogen. So we say the hydrogen atom goes to the carbon with more hydrogen. So two hydrogen is more than one, right? So this hydrogen comes to this place, while the bromine will come directly to the carbon with fewer hydrogen. This is mechanical rule. So that our product will be what? We didn't tamper with CH3 here. So we have our carbon here. Originally we have one hydrogen there. So this double bond has been converted to what? Single bond. Don't forget, this is what? Addition reaction. In addition reaction, a double bond is being converted to a single bond by the addition of more atoms, by the attachment of more atoms. So this double bond is now what? A single bond. Now we now have bromine being added to this carbon. So this is our bromine, new carbon to bromine bond. All right. So we have carbon here. This is the carbon. We have two hydrogen. This hydrogen here, and the new hydrogen to carbon bond. This is the new hydrogen to carbon bond. All right. So this is our product, and it is what? 2 bromo propane. 2 bromo propane. Okay. So this is the new product we have formed now from the mechanical rule. Okay. I hope it is clear. So the mechanism of the reaction will just be like this, right? CH3. This CH3 is this H is this. All right. So we now have this. Okay, so this is what we have. So we are adding what? Hydrogen bromide. So let's rearrange it so that bromine will be here and hydrogen will be here. This hydrogen bromide. Okay, so by the time this reaction happen, okay, don't forget that the double bond will break, right? The pi bond will break so that it will become carbon radical, right? So we now have our H here, our CH3 is still here. So we now have single bond. The bond are broken. There's no attachment of bond again. That's why we have radical here. So we have this and this. So this bromine, hydrogen bromide too, the bond will be broken, become radical, bromine, hydrogen, radical. Okay. So this is a point of attachment. A point of attachment. Are we together now? This is called intermediate. So the final product will now be what? New carbon to bromine bond. Okay. New carbon to hydrogen bond. Then we now have hydrogen here. We have our CH3 here. Then we have our CH H here. Okay, so we have successfully formed our 2-bromo propane. Okay, so this is called Markovnikov rule, and it states that when a reagent like hydrogen halide adds to an unsymmetrical alkene, the hydrogen goes to the carbon that already have more hydrogens, while the halogen goes to the carbon with fewer hydrogen. So if this video makes sense to you, don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more. God bless you.